This video contains content not suitable for younger audiences. Viewer discretion is advised.
Hello guys, this is Spicy Crisp here, and today I got that Muha med. Excuse me, it's fucking disgusting. We got Muha med all in one. Does it say Dragon Berry Runtz? The ring light's like, this is a Muha med. Definitely one of those disposables that is like, well, that's seen in Los Angeles. So yeah, here it is. See, this comes with rewards, but I don't really care. That device is what matters. If I could open it, oh shoot. Okay, here it is. Dragonberry Runtz. This is an indica type, so let's take a sniff. It's gonna, what does it contain? Hazy, relaxed, sweet, and ripe. So it's gonna be like a bit fruity, maybe with some candy, I guess. I'm gonna take a hit of the Dragonberry Runtz Indica Muhammad all-in-one 2-gram bitch. I like to do a 3-second test. This little timer thing on there is like pretty good too. So I'll keep track of my blinkers and however I want to hit it. This is actually too low for me, I've realized. There we go. I don't know why my chair's like that. Could be all the way. This also says 100%. Doesn't usually say that. Charge to 100. Let me get that test.
Oh my god!
Oh wow, okay. I can like taste the berry and then like sniff out the runt part through my nostrils a bit. So yeah, it's kind of like tasting like this like kind of smarty, like sweet tart kind of hard candy with a hint of like the Dragonberry. I guess it's like what, dragon fruit kinda? Yeah, I can see it on there. So yeah, I would describe it as a candy tasting flavor with the terpenes. I don't know what they used, and so I don't. Well, it doesn't say if it's distillate or live resin or whatever. Probably distillate, but who cares? Trying to find it. If it says anything on there on the box. Okay, and then let's try to explain the effects of it. See if I could feel it in my chest. I don't think I could. Most likely right now, for me at least, is I'm experiencing an overall body high, but you know, nothing too specific, so probably that's because I am not high enough. So I must take a blinker. Gonna hate doing that shit. I've been already hitting a blinker on a different Muhammad device. I already killed it, so this is gonna be harder to pull, but I'll try my best anyways. Let's try. Full 10 seconds, blinker mode.
Hard to see through those clouds. I hope we can get rid of them. Get the hint?
Okay, I don't really train with my diaphragm when it comes to vaping or smoking that much, so I might have to consider playing with it or whatever with my lungs. Okay, definitely tastes a lot more hotter and feels like the candy flavor. Yeah, the burning effects of it, the blinkers. Oh my goodness. Let me get a feel of this. Yeah, I can feel the battery just heating up. But you know, when it charges, it really heats up a lot because you know you really gotta charge these at least like twice or whatever. I think. Oh my goodness, I really like that one. Dragonberry is so good. You're not technically supposed to hit blinkers with any kind of cartridge or disposable, you know, but it's a common thing that people do, so I guess, yeah, challengers, like, I don't know, do your worst. Let's do a 2-second hit. Oh wow, okay, yep, it's definitely tasted much more sweeter, so that way, like, if you take like these small hits, you'll get like more of the flavor, but compared to the blinkers, you know, you'll get your effects better, but you know, the taste will be nasty as fuck, so, to be honest, I'm gonna have to take this on a longer test drive, probably. Oh, well, you know what, I'm just gonna kill it. This is probably gonna take me like, what, 4 to 5 days, or maybe 3 days if I'm hardcore blinker geeker or whatever. But yeah, that's all I have to say about it, other than I'm enjoying it right now. So yeah, 7 out of 10 stars, average score. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And my name is Spicy Crisp. Good night.